In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate Zoom with your application or service. This process will facilitate smoother workflows and enhance your ability to coordinate effectively using Zoom's rich set of features. Let's dive in and get started with just a few straightforward steps. First, you'll want to head over to the settings section of your platform. Navigating to this part of your dashboard is crucial as it houses all the integration options you'll need. Think of it as your control center, where you can manage and customize how your services work together. Once you're in the settings area, look for the integrations tab. This is typically where you find all external services that can be linked. Now that you're in the integration section, it's time to search for Zoom. If you have a search bar, this should be pretty straightforward. Enter Zoom into the search field and let the system do the rest. Within moments, you'll see Zoom pop up as an option. This shows that your application supports a direct connection with Zoom, making your integration process that much easier. Next, it's time to authorize and connect. This is a critical step. When you click on Zoom, you'll be prompted to provide authorization. This means you'll be granting permission for Zoom to interact with your existing application. It's much like giving Zoom a guest key to your house. Rest assured that this process is designed to be secure, protecting your personal data and ensuring that only necessary information is exchanged. Follow the on-screen prompts, which usually include entering login credentials or confirming your identity. This will ensure that the connection is established correctly and securely. Once you've authorized the connection, the system will link your Zoom account with the application. This not only connects the two services, but also allows them to share information seamlessly. You'll gain access to features like scheduling meetings directly from your app, syncing your calendar, and much more, all aimed at streamlining how you work. With the integration complete, don't forget the final step, saving your changes. This is a simple yet essential task. By clicking the Save button, you're locking in all the settings and permissions you've just configured. This ensures that your integration stays intact every time you use the system. And there you have it. With these quick and easy steps, your Zoom integration is complete. Embrace the enhanced productivity and flexibility this connection brings to your workflows. Whether you're scheduling meetings, conducting webinars, or simply coordinating with your team, an integrated Zoom setup makes all the difference. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more instructional content.